Nakajingkan tho Dr. Mukul Sangma unong ilam kalyang persa hayang dorbar thawan ke jela ber Myntri rangba berim bag sarkar MDA2 ke ben yak skul sarkar hakaleng ke jela Myntri beri kmi ya katanat puli puti urakam sangma ulaong bahagapur bolong Myntri rangba Dr. Mukul Sangma lei Tang Kawei ru ke skul Khlem Shna Dangshan Dr. Mukul Sangma ulasai madan ya karukam long skul sarkar hakalenggi district bat halor kini urakam ulaong hakisau bat sans nam baladap ke sarkar MDA2 hakajialam ke National People's Party kala wanra ika mangtingka ban Shna penbahaya barok skul lower primary ulaong banaki khat sau hajar teli ki skul menta ki baladap kita napo sau hajar teli bat ki basapat kidang don hapadeng ke jing Shna yaki.
And I would request our Honorable LO from who is the former Chief Minister, he should do more to see of this kind. There are many more like this. Because what happened is in the last because when he himself was the Chief Minister, during those times, look during his times, no schools was built. My father is a government primary teacher. No government LP school was built during his time. Nobody kills, it looks like. So therefore, but last 4-5 years under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, government has decided that to build as much as possible. All the government LP school will be renovated, will be built, will be given a new building, and it is happened also, and it is on the process. And many still many adults and many SSS schools are still there. It is not easy because there are about 14,000 schools building, right? It's not easy. We just reached up to 3,000 to 4,000 till today. Another 70% is still there, inclusive of all, right? So there are many. So I would request not only the government. Let's not wait. For me, in the last MLA scheme, I have renovated 45 numbers of ADO and the SSA schools under my constituency from my local area development fund at the cost of 2 lakhs each. 45 numbers of ADO and the SSA schools under Rawara constituencies. If every MLAs decide to renovate or construct at least 50 numbers of schools every year, I mean, we could have done it 15 to 60. How many? But yeah, therefore,
so are you calling up the legislators?
I would also request, beginnings from Honorable LO, to kindly utilize his SRWP fund maximum to the maximum, and instead of blaming somebody, let's inspire. Let his testimony be. Don't like we should not blame anybody. He should preach what he practiced. Therefore, yes, now Honorable LO, I think he might be disturbed today by seeing all this happening, because during his time he also not done much. Right? It is the testimony what he has done in last 8 years during when he was a chief minister. Yes, today, yes, our chief minister is doing all out to complete the exercise. It is not easy. If we are on the process and we are going ahead, but therefore coming out like this, blaming something against the government, also he should also think that he should also, rather instead of blaming, he should also like preach what he practiced. All the institutions, from the higher education to the lowest, right? So it means about 12 to 14,000 institutions in the state.
How many has to be renovated?
It is only, I think, up to 50% only. 50% are completely damaged. We can say, because you are seeing the video now today. So look, there are many, but many has been done, and I would also urge a request upon all the honorables, MLAs, even MPs. It's MPs. I've seen our honorable MPs visiting the schools also. I will request them to kindly don't just take picture for the negativity. Just take that. Keep in mind that I have come to this school and I'll give my fund. I was because honorable MPs also to think that way. So this is not an example. I would request everybody, instead of blaming, let's build it. Let's build it. Yeah.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.